Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can change the chart color in MetaTrader 4. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4 software and choose your currency. For me, I will choose the Euro USD. And as you can see here, the chart background color is black. So let's say I want to change it to another color. So just go to the chart and click on the right click and go to properties and go to colors. Make sure you are in colors. And as you can see here, we have background and the color is black. So click on it. And as you can see here, we have multiple colors. So choose the color you want. So let's say yellow for this example, or let's say this one, just for example, and click on OK. And as you can see, the chart color has been changed. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.